European writers on Indian history subtly hint, and some Hindu writers slavishly and thoughtlessly adopt their idea that Akbar was not like other Mughals, that he did not hate Hinduism and the Hindu nation, that he was just and never differentiated between the Hindus and the Muslims, that he ruled fairly, and as such, the Hindus must be highly grateful to him. This eulogy of Akbar is utterly false. We Hindus can either show respect, gratitude and affection for Rana Pratap or for his dire enemy Akbar. How can we show equal affection and respect for both of them? How can we worship God and the devil at the same time? How can we even compare the fanatical Akbar, who deprived the independence of the Hindu kings like Rana Pratap and tried to thrust the yoke of slavery on their necks, who demanded the Hindu royal princesses as queens and concubines in order to add insult to their injury, and attacked with his vast armies those who declined to do so? How can we compare him with those thousands of martyrs and valiant Hindu leaders like Rana Pratap and Rani Durgavati, who laid down their lives on the battlefields in the defense of Hindu nation, Hindu states and Hindu religion? You can either respect Maharana Pratap or Akbar, not both.